you know, what does she call them? Babies.
Oh yeah, how could I forget?
On today's video, we're gonna be getting butt-ass naked and rubbing oil all over each other.
I've been looking forward to it all day.
So, if you want to see that, just keep watching.
Yeah, just keep watching.
If this is your first time seeing our videos, which we know it is, because this is our first video we've ever made, subscribe. We don't have an official Instagram yet, but if you guys subscribe, then we'll make one. So if you want to see the little titty bitty, keep watching.
Nah, actually, bitches, today we're gonna be watching Amberlynn REID's newest YouTube video. And also, you know that intro was a joke because she's not the lead, I am. Okay. Not gonna play the whole 15 minutes in the video just because we don't want to get
copyrighted.
Rip your eyes out. No, we don't even make any money, so I don't think we can get copyrighted. Let us know in the comments if that's the law or not. Okay, so as usual, this stupid bitch watched the video without me because she has no life. Okay. You done?
Yeah. Thanks. I'm done.
Let's get into the video. Oh, God, already harassing Becky. It looks like it's early in the damn morning.
That Walmart t-shirt is a sauce.
Poppin'.
Hey guys.
Hey, Amberlynn.
We're staying at her sister's tonight, and the t-shirt and pants. I'm not about this, and I don't care.
Like, not even shorts, but pants.
Full-on pants in the swimming pool?
Well, it doesn't get that Eric is
Shady.
joking.
Eric?
So.
Okay, but Eric is really, like, a shady bitch.
Well, I mean...
What did you want? Did you
Oh, Amber.
I like how she's pretending that she doesn't know what he's talking about.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm not even bothered. Like, yeah, you know you
We
were.
know you have a big head. We know you have a big head, so shut the fuck up.
Dude, I do not like Eric. You hear that, Eric? We got beef.
Do something with that frickin'
Oh my god,
nest
it's everything
on your head.
about him. How he treats Ricky. Ricky's the coolest one out of all of you. Like, truly.
Becky, I guess we're gonna link below some help, for the state of Kentucky if you need to. That'll be probably not, but
Links down below. And my pussy boy.
why you wanna look at my pussy boy?
Man,
I
that.
got a lunch bag, pack.
This, like, bitch.
Like, hey guys.
Why?
Slung over her shoulder.
Right, like-
check out my new Minion lunchbox.
Dead ass. If there's like one of those, remember in grade school when like you had one of these and they had the stretchy part on the side where you could put your water bottle in it?
Yeah.
You know
That
she's gonna have
usually
two
came with a
on
matching
each
water
side.
bottle.
Things that I know I'm able to eat in case, we go out or they make dinner and it's just not something.
You know you're gonna go
Okay,
out hunting.
it's like she makes these fake efforts.
So I'm gonna do that.
Like she knows that if she's sitting in a restaurant, it doesn't matter if she has a packed lunch. Like if she wants
you
fucking
imagine?
tacos, she's gonna get fucking tacos.
Like working at a restaurant and just like seeing this woman waddle in with a lunch.
By the way,
Like, oh, I'll just have a water.
Like I'm aware I'm not like the pinnacle of health,
literally takes
but bitch,
heaven.
come on.
At least we're down 5 hundo.
On that table.
Well, she is down 15.2 pounds this week from Weight Watchers. So shout out to Weight Watchers.
Shout out to Weight Watchers. You're making AL's dream come true. Ew, almonds are gross.
I like almonds.
I don't.
Freaking easy.
I had some today.
Ready to go.
Doesn't it sound like she's saying bobbins?
This is 5
Yeah, well,
plates
she's illiterate.
on Weight Watchers. I'm gonna bring 2 servings.
And I got a 3.0 this semester, so I guess that proves that I'm not illiterate.
I got a 2.4.
Even though she's usually smarter than me. What is she doing?
Twinkie is gonna go in the lake with her, and she's so excited to go in the lake.
But Twinkie's a scared dog.
Well,
So
I don't think Amber
So
realizes
far,
that.
what I have is
How are we
She's
gonna
gonna
eat
be
all those
there.
almonds? Right. Like, she's probably gonna be there for a few hours. Deadass. Like, it's really like a fucking 20 minutes down the road. She's gonna be there for an hour and 20 minutes back.
Just
Like, is she bringing all those drinks?
No.
Could you imagine?
Her bin of drink.
I do love that coconut water. It's like really salty, like Chinese food. Cheers.
Water and a Blanco grapefruit.
Wait, no, let me do it.
So many ads, like, we get it, you get monetized, but stop with all the ads, bitch.
So we have all the stuff in the car, including my Twinkies dog.
Why did they put the dog in the ground? Put
She
her up on the
explains.
seat.
Every time she's in the car, the seat back there.
Maybe it's
You know she doesn't want to hold her
socializing.
arms like this for like more than an hour because that gets tiring.
Which upsets me.
Does a bitch.
That's okay.
You were gonna go
Becky
swim
ran
in
get
your
some
fucking
hot dogs,
pants.
'cause, I was in like a major rush. I was gonna get this like curry salad, but I wasn't too sure about it.
Didn't she already pack a bunch of
Thought
stuff?
I got me just like a sandwich or whatever. And
Yep.
turkey
Honey.
lunch meat is 0 points, but I'm logging it as points. Just
Wow,
because today's kind of
skinny
all over the
legend
place, so I'm not
Mariah
gonna, like,
Hooms.
consider 3 foods.
Anyway,
Okay, oh, sorry. I forgot about the video. I was too busy staring at myself.
Do you have your hand ready? Oh, I see.
Don't put that little boy in the video. Ew.
does
I
Ale
would
have a
pay-
Patreon?
Oh my god, I would pay at least $100 a week for that shit. Not out of like,
Like,
oh my god, like that's so fucking hot. I love a fucking.
Swim in 20.
sorry, my
Got snacks now.
father left these at our door because he knows what's up. Oh,
So
yeah, I
shout
ate
out
that
to
off the
you,
floor.
Pat. Shout out to you.
Anyway,
What kind of popcorn is that?
I think it's the kind you make like out of the actual like kernels. Anyway,
Anyways.
but speaking of Patreons, if you guys are interested in us starting a Patreon, we're not gonna do anything like X-rated, but like I'll rub my feet on her face.
I'll let her.
If you want to see me fart on some cake, let me know. We'll start a Patreon. That's
Yeah.
another thing.
Well, I'm gonna put my phone like up here, so.
Oh,
Is it rocket science, honey?
It's good.
It's bright, huh? Yeah.
So it just keeps making that poor dog relive it.
Like, okay, honey. It was kind of funny the first time.
Right.
Not in the
Oh
way
my
you
God.
think it's funny.
Hilarious the first time. And not with her at her.
Inflatable like boat type thing.
Why?
I'm thinking about buying one.
How are you gonna get on that bitch?
That'd be
Like,
cool.
that is not made for your size.
I am soaking wet.
Such a good time.
Ew. And then she's just gonna
Dude,
sit
I
in those
love-
wet clothes.
She's so beautiful.
Like,
Do you think she makes? No. Nope.
we're not gonna go there.
I'm so sorry that I even considered taking it there.
I'm just waiting for Becky. She's in her mom's store.
Okay, but didn't this bitch... The amount of times she contradicts herself in a video should be illegal. Okay, at the beginning of the video, she said Twinkie is always on the bottom, on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Because she's scared of, like, sitting in the top. They're driving home, and Twinkie's sitting in the fucking chair.
You got some explaining to do, honey.
Tell us, Amber. What is it, girl? What is the truth? I'm not telling you, bitch. Oh, was that it?
Was
Why
that the
there
end of
another-
the video?
Dude, why? You tell me. Why has she been ending her videos
Just
like a
abruptly.
fucking lazy
No outro,
fucking-
no. If you like this video, leave a thumbs
Do you have
up.
anything else to say to recap about Amberlynn? Do you
A
have anything
mess.
you want the people to know?
It's a mess. If you don't know who we're talking about, check her out. You will not be disappointed.
Fucking her.
If you like us, please tell us. If you don't like us,
You're wrong.
please don't tell us.